Welcome to Fiery Digital Factory. In this video, we dive into Color Profiler in Digital Factory 12. Color Profiler allows you to build custom print modes tailored to your specific printer, media, and ink combination. Start by confirming your printer options, such as resolution and ink setup, to ensure the profile matches your desired output. Next, establish your ink limits. You can print a visual chart to determine the maximum ink density your media can handle without bleeding. Connect your spectrophotometer. Follow the prompt to calibrate the device. First, scan the linearization chart. This critical step ensures that your printer's output is consistent and linear across all primary color channels. Review the generated ink curves. The software automatically optimizes these for you, though you can view individual channels like cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Now move to profile creation. We recommend Easy Mode, which uses intelligent presets to create a high-quality profile without needing expert color knowledge. The software will now print the main profiling chart, which contains a wider range of color patches. Calibrate your device one more time to ensure the highest accuracy before the final scan. Proceed to scan the profiling chart. This captures the full color gamut of your device, giving the software the data it needs to map colors precisely. Once scanning is complete, the engine processes the data to generate your custom ICC profile. And you're done. Your new custom print mode is saved and ready to deliver accurate, vibrant color reproduction. You can view and manage your new profile instantly inside the Print Mode Manager. Thank you for watching. To learn more, go to fiery.com/df.